There is no land left in South Florida to build on. There is actually in Broward County less than 1% left of land. That means that our prices are actually a little bit more insulated than some other markets because we're landlocked between the Everglades and the ocean. And so with that in mind, that means that our prices are actually going to be a little bit more insulated than some of the other markets that have had massive amounts of building going on. If you want to know more about new construction, comment down below or send me a DM with the words "build new" and we will get you our new construction guide right away.